A quick note, with one of the corona-related acts Congress passed in 2021, the 50% meals deduction limit was thrown out the window. Meals are now 100% deductible for tax years 2021 and 2022. But let's pretend like we're talking about prior to 2021 and every single year after 2022 when meals weren't or won't be fully deductible. So, let's talk about the differences between the meal categories in your books. So not all meals are created equal, and each of the meals described below has a special place in your books. Depending on whether they're not deductible, 50% deductible, or 100% deductible, they're going to need to be broken out so that you and your tax preparer can identify them. Personal meals, not deductible. You can never deduct personal meals. So those trips to Wawa, Starbucks drive-thru, or Chick-fil-A dinner, those are not business expenses. So they should be put into your owner's draw or distribution account, just like if you transferred money to your personal bank account. It's not a business expense, it's a personal expense, no matter which credit card you put it on. Meals with clients, these are 50% deductible. If you take a client, a vendor, an employee, or consultant out to eat, it's 50% deductible, as long as the following criteria are accurate. An employee or business owner of the business is present, the meal has an ordinary and necessary business purpose, and the cost of the meal isn't extravagant. If you can check all those boxes, then you can deduct 50% of the total cost as a business expense on your tax return. Meals while traveling are 50% deductible. When traveling away from home, you can deduct 50% of your meals for business, regardless of whether or not you're eating with others or discussing business. And some meals with special circumstances. 100% deductible. You can deduct 100% of the meal as a business expense if the event's proceeds go to a charitable organization, if the event you're providing food for promotes goodwill in the community, or if the meal is an essential part of your business, like if you're a food blogger or restaurant critic. As a reminder, entertainment is never deductible. So those Flyers tickets, the Reading Phillies games, the Disney on Ice, even if you take your entire client base, you'll just have too much fun. So it's not a business expense. If you found this video helpful, we're real accountants and CPAs who work with hundreds of small business owners just like you every day. Check us out at engagecpas.com to see if we're a good fit for your business. We also have business courses available to help small business owners understand their business. They're for you to learn about your financials, your taxes, how to pick the right entity, tax myths, and everything else about your business. Learn at your own pace. Check those courses out on the Education tab on our website. You can also find us on Instagram at Engage CPAs.